Hello friends, I'm Manoj Mittal. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how the Copilot in Microsoft Power Virtual Agent increase the chatbot usefulness and significantly reduce the manual authoring and configurations, right? So and the two key features which we are talk about, right? Create an instantly useful chatbot. So once we create a chatbot with a Copilot, it create empty chatbot which can respond to the users with the relevant informations, right? Second is authoring. Authors topic by describing what you want, right? So virtual agent create a topics by default, and it's a conversational response with a multi type of notes get generated in action how it's work. So I click on home, create a bot, just give the name here, some demo bot just for the demo purpose, click on the create. So it will take couple of seconds to do all the hard work for us in the backend, and it will create the working dummy bot for us. So we can take the advantage for that and just add our own topics. Yep. So the bot is ready now, right? You can see. So now let's go. I clicked on topic, and you can see here there are some system and custom generated topic has created here. It's up to us. We want to use, we can use, we can just switch off if we don't use, right? So I just clicked on the new topic. I use create with a Copilot here. So once I click on create a Copilot, it's prompt me a window. I'll just give the sentence. I'll take an example. I want to get a refund from the e-commerce website. So just let it add it here. Let a user get a refund on their order based on an order number, right? And I'll give the intent for this. It's a order refund. That's it. Once I click on create, so it will create a topic for us, and entire the bot structure will also create it in the backend. So as you can see, it's take a couple of seconds, and now my bot structures is almost ready here. We can see it's created, it's understand the context and created a phrases when the user is typing. So what are the phrases user can type here? And when the question is asked, it's asked for order number, it will ask for a reason and send the message back. So let's see in action how it's working. Okay, I want to return a product. I click here. So what's the order number? I'll give some dummy number for me as it's not validating at this moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4 reason. I'll just say, okay, faulty product. So now you can see, so response has came up, right? We have received your request for a refund order number this. We will review this shortly. That's great. We got this one. Now let's see another thing in actions. I'll click again in the edit Copilot. I'll edit one more sentence here. Need to check. Okay, the payment methods, right? I just added here the questions asking how the refund should be processed, either in original payment or a gift card. Click on update, right? As soon as I did, it will append the notes within the chatbot. So it has successfully added. If I go down, so you can see this questions are added and it's automatically understood. I'm just asking for a choice and then refund processes, right? All those things it just came up here. Right? So we can, and another things here, right? What the message is coming, we can just delete and add another sections also for that if need to add the refund process. Like once I add it here, I can add send message, or I can use the Copilot for that also. So summarize the response in an adaptive card, right? And update. So whatever the message response is coming, it will summarize and just give me the message back. Yep. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and we'll see. Yeah. So once we go down, you can see the message is added and it message having a nice adaptive card is added here. So let's see in actions again. I'll save it, this board, and I reset the context. I'll say I want to return an item. It will ask the order number. I'll give 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on reason, not happy, or we can say faulty product. Right? It's asking again what mode of payment refund should be. Original payment I want, I get a nice summary, right?